Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota. And I just want to make a video of putting together one of these raised garden beds. And just basically be a how-to for someone if you want to buy some. I'll put a link under this video to Amazon where you can buy them. And yeah, I'll just show you how easy it is. And basically I have 24 of these. And I got to put them together, and I'm on number 5, and I'm coming out here Sunday, and I am going to have a raised garden bed put together party, and pay some people to come out here and put these together, and yeah, so I can get them done, and then I can get the show on the road with this annual garden. It's going to look beautiful when it's done. But anyway, this is all about this raised garden bed. They're galvanized metal and really easy to put together. But I'll basically tell you what I'm doing as I go, and you'll get the hang of it. But anyway, I'm going to turn you around. And sorry, no shirt on. But hey, it's like 70 something right now. I am in the middle of farm country, and as far as you could see, I can't see anybody, and I see some farms, but I don't see any homes anywhere, so we're good. And nobody's in this house. Nobody actually lives in the house. This is their cabin. So yeah, it's their weekend getaway or summer getaway. You know, there's a couple hundred fruit trees and berry bushes and grapevines and just a beautiful, beautiful property. And I have the pleasure of being able to plant all these trees and make this happen for them. And it's absolutely amazing. And I love what I do. And well, let's get into this. I'm gonna turn you around and let's go. I hope my battery doesn't run out. If it does, well, maybe I'll make another video later of the end. But anyway, here we go. Turn you around. Make sure we got you. Get fit. All right, we're good. Okay. When you open the box, make sure you have all your parts. You got your 4 cross beams for stability. These 4 things are your corner tops. You got your screws and your nuts. You got your 4 corners. And every time you put it together, these notches go down. If you have them like this, you're doing it wrong. They go down. Because there is a little, you get 4 of these. They're little spikes that once you put these in the ground, you're going to be able to put these and just a little stake to keep them in place. But once they're loaded with dirt, they're not going to go anywhere. Then you're going to have 2 B panels, and B has to be on the outside, okay, and not upside down like that. Got to be that way. There's 2 of those, and then there's 4 that say A on it, and A's got to be like that, okay. It's got to be showing on the outside. If it's on the inside or upside down, you're doing it wrong. Take it apart. Anyway, we're going to start with one of the ends. And there's B, all right? So B's going to go on the outside. This notch is going to go down. Put it up against that. Hold on, we're going to open these screws. And when I do this, I just finger tighten them. And then once I get it put together, then I go back with my cordless and I tighten them all up. So, pretty simple. Should only take you about 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. And Then you put your corner piece on top like that. Okay, and then you'll take a screw. And then jump around a little bit. One screw, one bolt, or one screw, one nut, sorry. And finger tighten it all the way up. That should be good. Now we are going to do this side. Put your top on. And there's one end right there. Okay, these are 4x8. So I'll tell you once we get to that. All right. And while I might not be wearing a shirt because it's warm out, I'm wearing a hat because it is warm out. Because this. The other day my head got pretty toasty. So we can't let that happen again. Alright, now we're going to turn it around. Oh, look at it. See? Notch has to be done. Not sure what I'm at for time, but see, they don't take that long to put together. Now we have the two ends together. Now we'll add one of the side panels. Oh man, that sun's bright. The A's got to be up and on the outside. How much food do you think you can grow in 24 4x8 raised garden? This is for an annual garden. There's over 200 fruit trees and berry bushes on here that are perennial. So they're, obviously here forever. So this place always has life in it. you're going to connect the sides and put your cross members in, cross beams, and pretty simple. You just line them up with the hole across from them, so it's not that difficult. And you put one of these on here. And put your nut on. Connect the other side. And tighten them all up. Just like every other one I did, there's always extra nuts and screws. But now, just go around and Yeah, just like that. And see here, you got the cross beams in here. And only what I have, only 19 more to go, but it didn't take too long. Anyway.